Want your TikTok videos to grab attention and rack up views? Let's dive into simple tips to create eye-catching content in under 2 minutes. Start by planning your content. Think about your audience and what trends you can join or start. Use TikTok's built-in editing tools to trim clips, adjust speed, and arrange scenes smoothly. Add effects and filters to give your videos a unique vibe. Don't forget text and stickers to highlight key points or add humor. Captions are important too. They make your videos accessible and keep viewers hooked. To record, tap the plus button, hold the record button, and experiment with multiple clips. Use transitions like cuts or wipes to make your videos flow naturally and keep viewers watching. Try the green screen effect to change backgrounds and make creative content. Keep your videos engaging by adding questions, calls to action, or surprises. Finally, save your video before posting or share it directly to other social platforms to reach more people. And that's your quick guide to making standout TikTok videos. Like and subscribe to Tech Tutor for more tech tips and comment what you want me to cover next.